16 trucks carrying different food items arrived in northern Bahr el-Ghazal state capital, Aweil, from neighboring Sudan. Upon receiving the items, the state deputy governor, Dr. Tong Loal, said the items will reduce the prices in the market.
Today we had received 16 trucks full of food items coming from northern Sudan. And these grains we are going to store in our stores. Then we are going to distribute it to the counties. Then the county commissioners, they are going to have the responsibility of selling these grains to the communities, the localities, at the cheapest price.
On his part, the State Secretary General Akola Kol said the goods will be sold at affordable price.
We are here. These food items came to state capital. The arrival of these food items since last year and today has really given us an opportunity to buy from the market at the lower rate. The malwa, one malwa at the market, it was 1,500 SSP in Aweil market, and today the one malwa of sorghums at Aweil market is 700 SSP.
A representative of women in the state, Julia Gabriel, appealed to the state authorities to distribute the items to the counties as well as Payam.
الفكرة اللي هم عملوها إنه هو يمشي السودان ويجيب لنا الذرة في الولاية هنا، عشان كل مرة الأسعار بتاعت الذرة في السوق بتكون مرتفعة، لكن لما الذرة ده وصل الولاية هنا وبعدين يتقسم يمشي المحافظات والفيامات، بالتالي الذرة ده حينزل في السوق. حاليا الملوى ب1000 جنيه وحاجة، وفي الذرة قدم الحمام والفتريتة ده ب700 ب800. لما تنزل في السوق حينزل الأسعار.
The move was initiated with the government of Northern Bahr el-Ghazal state in collaboration with the presidency to reduce price of essential commodity in the market.